do I see two? What? What is this? Two? How can there be two? And they're both buy. It's the first time. Welcome, everybody. Yeah, the second one closed. But the question was, why? We're gonna see what's happening. Welcome, everybody. Welcome back to the stream of the Nasdaq scalping bot. What I do every day during the week is showing you how the bot functions, what he's doing in real time. Not a YouTube and then telling about it, but in real time, how is the bot doing? And for today, I planned nothing special, only to watch as it happens for today. So join me today again in my quest to get a bot who is profitable and functional. Although the functional part we already had, but profitable is the goal. And let's get to it. And before we go to look at the current bot, what it does and how it functions now, if there are any changes, etc., I first want to go back to yesterday. Yesterday, we had around the same time the bot running, and it was profitable more or less, and we talked about it, and I decided to let it roll and to see where it ended around, ending at the market, in my case, around 10 p.m. Let's go to the new reporter on the function of the bot, my coworker, John. Thank you, John. I will do my best to give an update over the scalping bot and how he's doing, but it's not looking too well. When I look at the results, I see one red after the other. Red, 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 and red, another red, a red, another red, 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 red. From the moment the Nasdaq opened at 1430, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 red positions and only 2 positives. That's not good. That's not good at all. I think it has to do with, I didn't think about it, but I had to know, of course, it's Halloween in the United States. So if you look at the market, when you look at this, it looks like there is market going on, but that's only the zoomed in version of 1 minute. If I'm gonna look to, for example, an hour and go into a normal view, then you see that there was hardly any trading going on. It was going down, but it's not really with that much trading. This is the hour chart. If you go look at the 15 minutes, you see almost no trading, and in the 1 minute, even less. You don't see any trading at all. You also look at the MACD, you see this is small MACD. So there is not much trading going on, and the bot does not know how to handle this. If we look at the bot, you see when we started with a minus of, I believe, somewhere around the 12 or 13, we're now down to 74. And the take profit used to be 12, it's now 11. So we did have a significant bad day for the bot. On the other hand, now I can analyze and see why the bot opens positions that eventually are not profitable. So it's a good opportunity to fine tune and to see what is in the logs. But for today, I'm gonna close this one up at 1150 candles, and hopefully tomorrow I will start up again with the same conditions and then see how he reacts at a normal, almost, yeah, after holiday day. It's a Friday, maybe not that normal, but at a normal trading day, how the bot reacts. It's gonna take a longer before the bot handles this, but every down has its positive, so we're gonna look what's going on. And back to you, John. Well, John, thank you. Thank you for your report, and thank you for not that good news you brought me. The bot didn't work that well yesterday. It's because of there were not enough actions on the market. And so for today, I decided to do nothing else. I did not change anything in the programming, not in the decision making, just as it was yesterday, but now hopefully as a normal day. What I'm gonna do, not today, during the weekend, is looking at my log and see in the log if I can find something to fine tune the bot for the next week and test it out. It's no longer a 1,000 candle test. I'm gonna call it a midday review of the bot, as in where does it stand now. So half the day, and then let it roll and see what it ends at the end of the day. And that's what we're gonna do. Looking at the bot half day, what is it doing? And we're looking at the market, and we see the bot opened a position, a buy, and he did open two positions. I don't know how that is possible, because once a position is opened, it has a continue false, a continue true setting, meaning no new positions until there is an end of this position. So it's rather strange that there were two. It was the second time I saw this happen. And if it doesn't happen more, I cannot detect where this bug is coming from. And we're gonna look at the bot, and the bot shows that we did make some profit at this moment of €5.81. And that's including the €3 profit loss counter. Yeah, it will be. We will see. It's a positive counter, 7 out of 9. So 2 minutes to go, while I see that this candle is getting red. Okay, but for now, there is a profit of, we got a correction, we got a profit of €3.03. So we're doing fine. It's all we need to do is wait at the market, and that will be in about 1.5 hours to see how it goes in the market. And what did it do in the last couple of hours? I'm going to show you that one too. And I enhanced the view a bit, this should be enough. Let's go down, and we're gonna count the number of positions. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, 736, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. That was the second one, so it was 23. Yeah. Of those, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rather small. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. We had 12 positives and 11 negative. 12, yeah, 23, I see. Yeah. So 11 negative positions and 12 positive. That's good. What I see is that the number of profits, the profit positions, were almost the same as the number of loss positions, but in total we went up. And if I look at the data, the balance, we started this day with 555 euros and 36 cents, and right now we are at 558. So it's not much. It's €3.85 we see down here. That's the profit I made today. I am very pleased that the bot makes a profit. So now you guys are back up to speed. You know the profit, you know the details of the bot, and unfortunately there is nothing else to do than waiting till the market opens and see how the bot reacts. And the market opens. And let's see what happens. And we're going to see if there is a market day. And if I look, it almost looks that there's nothing going on again, because I don't see the large change, the large candles appearing like it used to be when the market opens more aggressively. And if it goes the same way as yesterday, with only these small changes, then the bot is not handling this well. And then there will only be more and more losses because there is not enough action in the candles. Although I see some action, candles are getting bigger, histogram is going down, so maybe there will be a momentum up. No, 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 no. This could be another bad day on the market for the bot. So that was it for today. There's not much action at the market, as in it really goes up and down. We see that the market goes up. We see that the bot does not react to it as it should be, or as it should be, as it could be. So this was it for today. And for this week, the bot has, at this point, as we look at it, a negative of €9.79. It's going to take another couple of hours to see until the end of the day. The results of those I will record at the end of the day and will show them to you in the new YouTube of the next week. If you enjoyed the video, press like. While you're down there, press subscribe too. Look in the description to find the link to my Twitch, what I'm doing this every day. And there will also be the link to my Discord channel. Then you have all the information you need. And all I can say for you now is Have a nice weekend, and we will talk to each other next week. And have fun.